Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to share Draw.io projects in 2026. If you want to collaborate with teammates, send diagrams to clients, or share your work with others, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your project in Draw.io and make sure all recent changes have been saved. It's always a good idea to review the diagram before sharing it. Next, decide where your file is stored. If you're using Google Drive, OneDrive, or another cloud service, sharing can be done directly through that platform. Now save the latest version of your diagram to ensure everyone receives the most up-to-date file. Next, if your project is stored in cloud storage, locate the file and use the sharing option provided by your storage service. Now choose whether people can view, comment on, or edit the diagram based on your collaboration needs. If you prefer not to share the editable file, export the project as a PDF, PNG, or SVG before sending it. Next, generate a shareable link or attach the exported file to an email or messaging platform. Now test the shared link yourself to make sure recipients can access the project correctly. Next, update sharing permissions if collaborators need additional access later. Finally, keep your project organized by maintaining clear file names and saving updated versions when major changes are made. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share Draw.io projects. Your diagrams can now be shared easily with coworkers, clients, students, or team members. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Hey everyone!